Hello friends, welcome to the new video tutorial on the React Material UI. So here we are going to learn about the ratings. So whenever we have any kind of rating app, so whenever we have ordered something, so we have a rate option like 2, 3 stars, 4 stars, 5 stars. So that gonna we are going to implement in React Material UI. So let's begin the tutorial. So you can see that it is controlled. Okay, this is read only, right? Disabled and no rating given. Okay, then we have a precision, like if you want 2.5 or something the rating that you want, so you can use this one. So you need to just, so we have a rating that is React Material UI, so you need to just copy this one. Okay, so just add this one. Okay, then we have a rating. After this we have to return this rating one. Okay, so I'm going to add this one rating. Let's see what exactly the demo is going to be. Let's see. Then we have a rating, then we have a half rating. Okay, so we have a precision. You can see that precision should be 0.5, that is read only. Then can set default value is 2.5. Then you can change according to the user scroll adding or something. So you can set the default whenever the user hovering or something. On change event you can add it, right? Or on click event. On hover you can add it. There's a on change active property, right? You on change active event new hover, set new hover. Okay, so you can also use that one. And with the help we can also use, you can see that there is a empty icon, start icon, opacity, form set, inherit. If the value is not equal to null, then it should be hovering. And then we have a sizes different, then you need to pass the size only. And this is the default one, that by default rating is this one. Then we have a customization of 10 stars something. So you can add the style rating and do the rate, you do customize that one. And this is the radio button, whether it's good, bad or something, radio group. So you can you also use this one rating. Okay, and this is the by default, you can see that. So this is how this custom icon that is there, they are going to use it. You can see that rating they have added, but rest they have to the styling part, style rating with color with this one. So you can do the custom building also. But if we by default it is showing the 5, then you can make it 10, 12, anything rating that you want with the help of this React Material UI rating Material UI things, right? So I think you get the brief one. Anything issue in that, just let me know in the comment section, right? So you just, this kind of things comes in your mind, or there's a functionality something like this in Material UI, it is already there. Just need to copy, paste and perform the action on the basis of the events, on change events, on click events, get the value, set the value and save into the backend whatever the value it is. Okay, so that's it for now this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Any issue, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. We will update on your query. Thank you so much. Have a great day.